Hey guys, thank you guys so much for spending this Sunday evening with me. My name is Jeff Jones and I am with theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this short video, we're going to take a look at cordcuttersnews.com's website. And I found something pretty interesting. If you don't know about cordcuttersnews.com, it's a great resource and website for all things streaming. I use it a lot and I really like this content. This video is about, if you didn't know, almost 50% of cord cutters plan to cancel their streaming services right now. So let's take a look at this ad. It's pretty recent, and it says recently the news has been full of cable TV companies and streaming companies raising their prices. Recently, Spectrum announced a price hike on its TV, phone, and internet services. Now a growing number of streaming services, including Peacock, Shudder, and more, have all announced pay hikes. This has led many cord cutters to start looking at what they are paying for and think about cutting back. In 2019, the average cord cutter paid for 3 to 4 streaming services. During the height of the pandemic, some reports suggested that some Americans were paying as many as 6 streaming services because they were stuck at home. Now it seems that Americans are waking up right here and no longer willing to pay for that many services. So if you think about it, if you have 3 of the top services, YouTube TV, Fubo, and let's say Sling, you're looking at a minimum of, I don't know, depending on what package you get from YouTube. Let's say you're getting the $90 package, basic package with no add-ons. You're getting Fubo for about, I think, $69, and then you're getting the blue package with Sling for $50. Almost $200 a month for just those 3 services. Now add some of the specialty services, like you got Paramount Plus, AMC Plus. Everything's a plus, but it's all the same content that you can get off the internet. But if you're going to pay $200 a month just for 3 separate streaming services, how are you saving money? You're not. It says the real winner here seems to be the free ad-supported streaming service. A number of our readers have commented letting us know that they have cut back on the number of streaming services they pay in exchange for the free ad-supported ones. So free ad-supported television channels are called FAST channels. They're very popular. They're all around. They're absolutely free, and they're probably going to run some advertisements on there for a good 30-second ads, but most people who want to save money will endure a 30-second ad versus paying $200, right, for 3 separate services. So you're not saving any money. It says other readers told us that they are more likely now to rotate streaming services, pay for one like Apple TV to watch season of Ted Lasso, only to quickly unsubscribe and switch to Paramount for a month, for example. So these are the things that are happening right now. And for people that don't like internet protocol television, I totally understand it. But you're going to have to choose what you want to do here. And if you're going to cut the cord, at least get the fast channels. I mean, at least find out what the best fast channels are and, begin to use them until you can make up your mind based on what your watching habits are. This is a great ad on Cord Cutter's website. I'll put it in the link in the description of this video. Hey, I'd like to hear which ones you guys are using right now. Put that in the comments, and if you're planning on staying with them, and if not, just tell us why. Put those things in the comments below. We really appreciate that. As I close out the video, we're now going into the month. Here we're finishing out a really great month, and since we're in August, we're a few months away from Christmas. If you guys are interested in finding a great box media device with service on it, great price, and great customer service, I'd love to have a discussion with you. If you got about 10 minutes to get on the phone with some of our consultants, we will give you up to a 25% discount for you to book that appointment. If you buy something from us for the first time, we will give you a 25% discount off the price if you choose after the consultation to, if you like what you hear and you want to give it a try for 30 days, we'll give you a 25% discount. Hey, my name is Jeff. Look for that information. You can text us about the 25% discount. Give us a call, leave a message, and one of our consultants will get back to you. In the meantime, have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video.